Oh guys, upon checking this sweet potato, purple one, look, pretty cute. I found this one together here, the Dutch creamy potato. So I think I'm going to replant it again, so it will gonna get big and more babies. This one, yeah, it's not really much in here. Instead, let's see. Oh wow. Oh, look at this, guys. I'm so happy she got some cute one here. I can't leave this longer here because the winter is coming. I mean, autumn is coming, then the winter. So if I just leave that here, I mean rats, oh, they really hate cold weather. But I guess as long as they're under the ground, they're fine. So once I remove this, it's alright. I'm happy for that. I can steam them, you know. So once I remove this, I'll keep some of the few here, the branch, and then I'll repot it again, so I can have again next summer. Let's remove this, guys. Oh, see, it's a good size, especially the really, that's what you call organic veggies. They're not so big like humongous like go in the shop. Instead, just like that. I mean, my grandpa mountain, maybe a little bit bigger than him, it will stay a bit longer. But mine said the winter coming, so may as well remove this. This one, I can replant him again. Oh, there's another one. Let's check this one. Oh, that's big. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. See that? This is the genuine happiness that you feel when you're planting your own, and then you plant like this. You see that? Oh, all right. So this one here, it that look not purple, but maybe it is because I could see the ribbon here in the corner. Doesn't mean it will be purple leaves too, because the root crops is purple now. Different leaves, you just could see the roots, see that they are purple potatoes. Yum. Go check again here.